So I took the course of blockchain technology, and I learned about the blockchain, what are layer one technologies or layer two technologies, what is the blockchain network, so what is the layer one technology and layer one technology like Ethereum, and layer two technology like Polygon. So what is Polygon testnet and what is Polygon mainnet? And I studied about the Solidity language. I watched the tutorials of the Solidity language. I took the access of the resources what were mentioned in the course, um, and I studied what are tokens, what are fungible tokens, what are non-fungible tokens. I learned about what are ERC 20 protocols, ERC 721 protocols, ERC 1125 protocols, or and interplanetary file service, which is a distributed service, which is a distributed service. I studied about that and why it is used and what's the purpose of it. And I studied what is the advantage of blockchain network over the banking network. So it is not it is decentralized. Um, I even studied what are nodes, and I studied how many what are blockchain networks. I studied about the Ethereum. I studied what is Polygon testnet, what is Polygon mainnet, what is Avalanche, what is ERC compatible and non ERC compatible chains. Non ERC compatible chains like Solana, in which Rust language is used. So I studied about non ERC compatible chains and ERC compatible chains. ERC compatible chains. In ERC compatible, there are 7 to 8 types. In non ERC compatible, there are only 2 types. Okay. So Solidity language is used in Ethereum. That's a programming language, and in Solana we use Rust. But Rust is a low-level language, and Solidity is high-level language, and so that Rust is a customizable language. So what are the advantages of that, and how NFTs are used? What are the advantages of NFTs, and what is decentralized autonomous organization? Where it is used? What is US DAO, US DAO concept, US DAO constitution? How it was? How many $1 million were raised? $25 million were raised in that auction, in US Constitution auction. So I studied about interplanetary file service and what is file token and what are NFTs. Okay, and and even studied the projects for how many types of blockchain projects are there, and how many blockchain projects as sir explained. And so I gone through all the resources which are mentioned by which were mentioned by sir in the course. So I studied everything in that, and by how the blockchain is useful other than the banking system, and how the blockchain network is used to transfer the funds, how the confirmation is done, after how many blocks there is confirmation is done, what is the transfer speed of the transaction speed per second, why layer 2 technology, what layer 2 technology is just to layer 1 technology, how it makes any layer 1 technology scalable, it increases the transactions per second. And yeah, and I showed what is mining. So what is nonce, how the 4 zeros should come, how mining is done, and what is transaction fees, what is gas fees, and how to deploy a smart contract. What is a smart contract on a blockchain, where smart contract is written, and what are wallets and what are wallet addresses. What wallets does, it holds the private keys, not the funds, and abstract meaning in that. And what's the wallet address, how we should know that private key should not be leaked and public key can be known to anyone. If we know, if others know our public key, they can send their funds to us. So I've studied about NFTs, FTs, and wallets, wallet addresses, private keys, public keys, what is nonce. And Sir Anders Brownworth website, sir has recommended that it start, so that we can how to do mining, and how many copies of blockchain are created in that, and how blockchain copies are, if even if data is corrupted in even one blockchain copy remaining are intact, so we can know where the data is corrupted and how the funds are transferred. And what is Ethereum, what is DAO, what is Ethereum, what is in layer 1 technologies is like banks, and layer 2 technologies like Paytms and Google Pays, etc. So the difference between these layer 1 and layer 2 technologies was very well explained. And what are NFTs were also very well explained. What is NFTs, non-fungible tokens and fungible tokens, etc. I learned about Solidity, and some of the projects I have seen the tutorials, and I have go through some of the resources in that. And sir has explained what is Solana, why Solana is better, how the transaction speed of Solana is better. And we came to know that till now also there are updates going on. In